Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Jen here. Thanks so much for tuning in today. We are doing a DIY, all Dollar Tree products. If you like this map here that I made for my kids' room, go ahead and keep watching. Let's get into it. So I have these 4 signs that I got from the Dollar Tree doing Valentine's Day, and I put them together using some E6000, and then on the back I used hot glue, and I just put the large popsicle sticks back to back, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do is use some different color, like tan and white paint. One is Waverly and one was just a matte from the Walmart, and I went and painted over it. As you can see, it does not completely cover it on the first coat. So I let that coat dry, and then I'm gonna go back in with the lighter Waverly paint to get rid of some of that red that's going on, but still to have it look distressed. So yeah, I got this from Walmart. It's in ivory, and then the darker color, I think it's tan, and that is just the 50-cent Walmart brand. Now for the map itself, I got this sticker from the Dollar Tree. It came with all of the continents on one sticker for $1. So I thought that was pretty awesome, even though I was not in love with the color. So what I did was I took some brown. I thought that would look really good on contrast to the color. And I just painted all of those brown and put a few streaks of that light tannish color in there to break up just the dark brown. I want to say it took me 2 or 3 coats to be able to make sure that you did not see any of the other colors seeping through, because some of the colors are pretty bright and I didn't want that happening. Moving on to the frame of the wooden board, I used the blocks from the Dollar Tree, the Jenga set, and you're gonna need 2 of those because you need like 38, and I think they only come in 36s. I mean, I think the pack is like a 32 or 36 pack. So I used 10 down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 across. So 10 down and 12 across. And it fit pretty perfectly on there, as you can see. So now I'm just using this Waverly chalk paint again. I think this color is aqua, and I'm going to do a border because this is for my kids. So now that I have painted the map, and the map is no longer wet, it's all dry. Now let's have fun and take off the stickers. Let me tell you, some of these smaller freaking countries, they were a pain in the butt to get off. I don't know if there's any other way you could have done it to make it not so difficult, but it was just a pain. As you can see, your girl's about to struggle for a minute, and yeah, enjoy this montage of me struggling. All right, now that that is done, now that you have all of these the countries down, you want to play with the area in which you, where you want everything to go. I do have some wording that I'm going to put on here that at first I had not thought about it. And it kind of sucks. So if you are planning on putting any wording or anything like that, make sure you place everything where you want it first and then press all that down, because doing it first, honey child, let me tell you, I was not moving this stuff once I got all these little bitty dots down onto the board. I actually was thinking about Mod Podging, but I didn't do that. I still might do that later. But leave me a comment in the description box. Do you guys think I should Mod Podge over it? Or if it's sticking, it is sticking pretty well, I might not do that. That way I could always use this for something else in the future. Or I don't know, I'm kind of loving this little map that I made. So now you basically want to glue your edges on, your border on, after they have completely dried. And I am using the Dollar Tree adhesive, nothing spectacular. And you're just gonna go ahead and give a generous amount, not enough to, you know, spill out, but a good generous amount right down the middle of it. Flip it over and stick it. I did use some clamps because all of the Jenga pieces are not even and equal. And that is it, guys. I did put the little words at the bottom, create adventures for yourself. That was also a sticker. If you enjoyed this video, if you like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.